Hi there, I bought a bench power supply. It's Isotech IPS2303D. I bought it for parts not working, and the guy said it switched on. It switches on one channel, but not on the other channel. I tried to switch it on, nothing was working at all, and so I took the cover straight off. I can't return it because it's for parts, and I don't know if you can see that. Look at the state of that transformer. It's rusted solid. The case is rusty as well, so I thought, oh dear, I've wasted my money. So anyway, he sent me two power kettle cables, and both of the fuses had gone in both of them. One 5 amp, one 10 amp fuse. So I thought, this doesn't look too good. So I plugged it into my safety lamp, and I replaced one of the fuses, and yeah, I've got this board partly out now, but look, if I switch it on, one side works, the other doesn't, as he says. And this, you can alter the voltage, the relays click in at different voltages as well. This side, if I stick some probes here, it is actually working, but there's no display and there's no light here either, so there is a problem with it. But apart from that, it seems to be working, so that's the result. Anyway, you've got constant current and constant voltage there as well. You have series, so I can have up to 60 volts in series, and you've got independent and parallel. So parallel, I think they're both ganged together, so what the one's doing, the other one will do. One of these is this is a master, so if I control this voltage, they'll both go to the same amount if it's in parallel mode. I've got this at the moment in independent because I've got 15 volts there and I can get another voltage out there. Anyway, so I wasn't sure where to start on this, so I thought, well, seeing as it seems to be working apart from the power supply board, I can't get a diagram for this, by the way. I had a look at this board here. There's obviously a front panel and this board as well. I just had a measure around there what was going on. I'll switch it off. And as you can see there, there's a relay. Not a relay, sorry, a regulator. There's some diodes there. I have AC 10 volts coming in here, and I can check the other side to see what I've got on the other side, because the other side's working. So first of all, I checked that AC 10 volts on both sides, and then across this capacitor is where the DC should come out. I checked all the diodes there, and they're all okay, all 0.5. So first thing I thought, okay, I checked the regulator. I checked across the capacitor, and there's nothing really coming across that capacitor there, if you can see it. And the regulator, I checked the regulator as well. There's nothing on the output of the regulator. So now you check, the middle pin is ground, reference to ground. So if you check the other end, there should be some voltage coming in at the other end too, actually, on this regulator. And I checked the other end, and there's nothing there at all. So this is let's just try and show you there. Right, here is the regulator, these 3 pins here, T3. These 2 pins there, I've got to find out what these are. It looks like they're coming from this board here, so I've got to trace it further there. Maybe it's a broken cable. These are flex cables here, so I might have to take the whole lot out the front panel out and see what's actually going on there. But yeah, that's not good. The case is there, that has got some rust on it, but there we go. This was very cheap, very cheap. These are normally about £165 working, second hands. It's not a bad make, Isotech. And I paid like under 60, well, around 60 odd for this. including carriage. So it'd be really good to get this going, and I think I will be able to get it going. I just need to trace through here and find out why I'm not getting 5 volts here, because the other side should be getting about 5 volts coming into the regulator, and then obviously coming out here it's more, I think it's about 11 volts or whatever coming out of here. 12 volts actually, sorry, 12, so it's a 12 volt regulator. I'm getting the ground reference there, but nothing on this side. So it's either some sort of broken track, I don't know what this is, I can't actually see it at the moment, but could, if it's a component, it could be that's gone. So yeah, there we go. I'll post another video if I can manage to sort this out. I'm still waiting for parts for the deck there, tape deck that is, and also for parts on this. I bought a variac as well. I'll do a video on that maybe. I bought a variac from Farnell. I found it much cheaper than anywhere else. It's a 2 amp variac. It's not enclosed, it's open. So I might do another video on that, because you know, variacs now, like everything else, have gone up massively in cost. You can't get a variac even from China for less than like 120 quid from China, and they look terrible. So anyway, this open one from Farnell, 2 amp, it cost me about half that to buy it, so that would be a good bet. Farnell components. So yeah, I might do a video on that, or at least I'll show you it in one of the videos. So yeah, a bit of a mess here, a bit disorganized, but yeah, I've got high hopes for this bench power supply. I'm going to need it. I don't think I'm going to need it for the turntable, because I've discovered that it's AC coming from the control board. It's 48 volts for the strobe, I believe, and 24 volts for the motor. So I need to put AC into that, hence buying the variac. I need AC 24 volts coming into this on the pins, and that should turn the motor. So anyway, that's an ongoing thing. If I can get, I might be able to make a stable AC supply. Well, in fact, the supply is AC. It doesn't need to be, obviously it's not regulator or anything, but the switching part is all done by transistor flip-flop circuit. So I need to just get my head around that. And I reckon I should be able to sort that out, hopefully. But anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll let you know if I can get this going. Thanks for watching.